Good morning, everyone. I'm here at the Rosie the Riveter National Historical Park, and I wanted to show you another exhibit today. This one revolves around how the population boomed in Richmond during the war years. It went from about 20 to 30,000 people to about 120. So as you can imagine, housing was a big demand. And here are some exhibits that show, let me see if I can turn this around. You've got people who are camping, living in trailers, more campsites, overnight in movie theaters, anywhere they could find housing. They swapped beds in 8-hour shifts, and a lot of people came here looking for work and didn't know if even they'd find it or if they'd find housing, and yet we built 747 ships during World War II, thereby saving the war, because an army runs on supplies. They say an army runs on its stomach, and so we built ships faster than the Germans could sink them, and that was a really important part of the success of World War II. Okay, hope to see you here soon.